Hey guys, so today what we're going to look at is some of these furniture moving legs. So the idea is put this on your furniture, big heavy furniture, and wheel them around. So let's take a look at them, try them out, see how well they work. Alright, so let's take a look at them. So they're made out of this sturdy metal, so a steel, and I think they're going to work out really nicely. So this is one of the legs, rolls pretty good. Good. So it comes with 4 of those. All right, because of course most furniture comes with 4 legs. So also it comes with these blocks. And comes with this handy dandy lifter too. So this one is when you have like a, let me show you. You have some kind of item like this where you need to lift it up and then you slide it through, okay? So this is more like a small, not a small item. This is a heavy item type thing that you just need to lift up in a small space like that. See, you know, just need to lift up something to get through and then you could still push it because it has these wheels. All right, so that's cool. These are heightening jack stands, kind of. So if you need to lift up the sofa a little bit higher, you can see how the wheels, they fit perfectly into that slot. So if you need to lift up your furniture and it's not too tall, you use this guy. But if it is tall, or you need to get up on something, you lift up with that. All right, so let's give it a shot. We'll try it on this sofa right here, and it's not a super heavy sofa, but if it was, let's pretend we could try those jack stands. And you can kind of lift it up like that. Even this one, I would need even more blocks, but honestly, I'll be able to just lift it. So let's get all 4 on. All right, I got all 4 legs on, and it should slide around pretty easily, which it does. This is, you know, thick carpet, so you might need to make sure it stays on. It doesn't slide off the wheel like that. But yeah, no problem. I think it's going to work out great.